Hello, hello, hello. It's me again, Kim Lachelle, and thank you for being here. I received a small stationery order from Cheery Letters, which can be found on Etsy. Every now and then, I can find some special stationery items at Cheery Letters at a reasonable price, which I appreciate. Cheery Letters does not have free shipping, but sometimes you can get items at a discounted price. This is all I got: a planner stamp, some Jourt'aime ticket memo loose sheets that I was able to get 3 of the 4 patterns, and the ticket memo tape and just one loop of the tape. I like the assortment of samples provided by Cheery Letters. I always like stamps with orange rubber. With the Jourt'aime ticket memo loose sheets, you get a total of 45 with 3 types of paper: vellum and 2 special papers, which are white in color. I can't wait to share the ephemera pieces that I create with these tickets. Here are a few LCN Lin Chaining stamps that I could possibly use. Here are more Nove Production stamps. As you can see, I really like Vivian's, the creator of Nove Production stamps, which I'm going to pick a few of them and stamp. Oops. Dang it. Oh, that's not gonna fit. Here, that should fit. This might not work. I might have messed that up. I didn't. Okay, so those turned out really pretty. I really like this one. So just showing how you can use different stamps to fill in this. Oh, it's really pretty. So this is one time, I usually buy loops, and I have to say this is one time that the loop was not available, and I just bought a sample, and this sample is actually all that I need. It's perfect. I would probably use these for backgrounds, like put it down on the page, set a girl on it and stamp some stuff, or just set a girl on it and keep on moving. But yeah, okay, I might do that. But I gotta clean up all this. If you could see what I have here, I got stamps all over the place with ink on them, so I need to get them clean before I mess them up and put everything back. Here is my Hobonichi processing video to document my Cheery letter purchases, which I have sped up the video. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. It is always a pleasure in sharing what I have purchased and giving you some ideas on how to use your stationery to to create ephemera and layouts for your journal. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I will see you soon. Godspeed.